He can't count. Prof mocks a single dad janitor. Until he proves a theorem she's never seen. The entire lecture hall erupted in laughter the moment the professor pointed toward the exhausted janitor standing quietly beside his cleaning cart. Holding a worn-out notebook against his chest, the single father had only asked if he could watch the mathematics lecture from the back of the room after finishing his shift. Instead, hundreds of students watched as his dignity was crushed with one cruel sentence that echoed through the hall. Everyone believed the man pushing a mop could never understand advanced mathematics. No one imagined that within the next hour, the same man would write a proof so extraordinary that even the professor would stand speechless before it. Before we continue, if you believe kindness, second chances, and judging people by their hearts instead of their jobs still matter today, please like this video, leave a comment, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe to Bright Heart for more emotional and inspiring stories. Michael Carter was 38 years old. Every morning before sunrise, he packed lunch for his 8-year-old daughter Lily before taking her to school. After losing his wife to a long illness 3 years earlier, life became an endless race between bills, parenting, and exhaustion. His dream of becoming a mathematician had disappeared years ago when he left college to care for his family. Now he worked as a university janitor, polishing floors that brilliant professors walked across every day. Few people noticed that every evening, after emptying trash bins and wiping classroom desks, Michael quietly copied equations from abandoned lecture notes into a small notebook with torn pages. Mathematics had never stopped living inside him. It was the language that gave him peace when life made no sense. After Lily fell asleep each night, he spent hours solving problems by the dim light of a kitchen lamp, while old textbooks borrowed from the public library covered their tiny apartment table. One afternoon, while cleaning the largest lecture hall on campus, Michael noticed a complex theorem written across the chalkboard. The professor scheduled to teach was famous for her sharp mind and even sharper tongue. Students admired her brilliance, but feared making mistakes in her classroom. Curious, Michael sat quietly in the last row after finishing his cleaning, hoping to understand a new approach to an old mathematical problem. The lecture began. But before long, the professor noticed the janitor, sitting silently in the back. The room grew quiet as she questioned why he was there. When Michael politely explained that he loved mathematics and only wished to learn during his break, many students smiled awkwardly. Instead of encouraging him, the professor laughed. She remarked that someone who spent his days pushing a mop probably struggled with basic arithmetic, let alone graduate-level mathematics. Laughter swept across the lecture hall. Michael lowered his eyes, gripping his notebook tightly as memories of every sacrifice he had ever made rushed back into his heart. He could have walked away. Most people expected him to. Instead, Michael quietly remained seated. As the lecture continued, the professor struggled to finish a difficult proof. Several approaches failed. The equations refused to cooperate. Minutes turned into nearly half an hour as confusion spread across the classroom. Then something unexpected happened. Michael slowly raised his hand. Many students rolled their eyes. Others laughed again before he even spoke. The professor reluctantly allowed him to approach the board, convinced he would embarrass himself. Michael picked up a piece of chalk with calm hands. His movements carried no arrogance, only quiet confidence earned through years of private study. Rather than following the standard method, he began connecting ideas from number theory and geometric symmetry in a way few had ever considered. Every line naturally led to the next. The classroom slowly fell silent. Laughter disappeared. Eyes widened. Students leaned forward. The impossible proof unfolded before them with breathtaking elegance. When Michael finished, the room remained completely still. The professor stared at the chalkboard for what felt like forever. She reread each step several times, searching desperately for a mistake. There wasn't one. In fact, Michael had introduced a remarkably elegant shortcut that simplified a proof mathematicians usually considered unnecessarily complicated. For the first time in years, the professor found herself without words. She quietly asked where he had learned mathematics. Michael simply explained that dreams never truly disappear. Sometimes they wait patiently, while life asks us to survive first. Between raising his daughter, working double shifts, and grieving his wife, mathematics had remained his silent companion through every lonely night. Many students lowered their heads in shame, remembering how quickly they had laughed at someone they never bothered to know. Within days, word of Michael's remarkable proof spread across the university. Professors invited him to collaborate. Researchers reviewed his notebook filled with years of original ideas. Scholarships were arranged so he could complete the degree he had abandoned years earlier. More importantly, Lily watched her father walk across campus no longer as the invisible janitor everyone overlooked, but as a respected scholar whose kindness matched his brilliance. The professor publicly apologized before her next lecture. She admitted that intelligence does not wear expensive clothes, carry impressive titles, or sit in reserved seats. Sometimes it quietly pushes a cleaning cart while carrying dreams far greater than anyone can imagine. Michael never celebrated by proving others wrong. He celebrated by proving that hope survives hardship. If this story touched your heart, please write this in the comments. Kindness sees what pride cannot. As Michael walked home that evening holding Lily's hand, the university buildings looked exactly the same, but everything had changed. Not because the world had suddenly become kinder, but because one humble father refused to let humiliation define his future. His greatest victory was never solving an extraordinary theorem. It was teaching everyone who witnessed that unforgettable day that a person's worth can never be measured by the uniform they wear, only by the courage they carry inside. If this story inspired you, please like, comment, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to Bright Heart. Your support helps us continue sharing powerful stories of hope, courage, and second chances that remind the world to choose compassion over judgment.